Yeah, hi everyone. Sorry.
Vivek, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So shall we start, sir, or we can wait for some time?
Yeah, we can start. We can wait for 2 more minutes. I just make my setup ready.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Morning, everyone.
Very good morning, sir.
Yeah, we can start for
Yes,
today.
sir. So welcome to the day 6 program on faculty development on cybersecurity and hacking. Today's session was handled by Mr. Vivek. Yes, sir. Can over to you, sir. Thank you.
First of all, hi everyone. And I believe last session was good, and I got a good feedback. And so, please tell if you have any doubts on the last session or the session which we have taken for the last 4 days. If you have any doubts, please let I can give you a time for 2 minutes, and then we can jump to the session.
Sir, shall I give an unmute access, sir, or otherwise we can clarify in chat box?
Sorry.
Sir, we can give an unmute access to the participants for doubt
Yeah, we can give unmute access for the participants.
Okay, fine.
Until 10:15.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, participants, if you have any queries in the last session, Vivek's session, you can unmute yourself. You can ask your queries right now. Sir, I think no queries from the
No
participants.
queries
sir.
are there. Okay, fine.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so today we are going to see about mobile hacking perspective. So like mobile application hacking and how it can be done by the real time, how the hackers are doing the mobile hacking in a real time perspective. So for that, I can't able to show the demonstration through the Zoom. I can send you on a link. Okay, please open that link and application will get downloaded. So that application will provide a real live streaming of how mobile application hacking has been performed by the hackers. Okay, I'm sending the link in the chat. Please open that link and download it. Okay. Okay, I provided the link in the chat. Yeah. So an application will get downloaded. So please install it. That portal. Yeah, once you are downloaded, just say downloaded in the do anyone get downloaded and installed? That's not an issue. It's if you are downloading outside from the Play Store, so it shows that you can give install anyway, it will get installed. Yeah. If you click install anyway, there is more option. You can install it. Anyone downloaded? Yeah, you can install. You can click anyway, install. Yes, one got installed. Yeah, few people's installed. Okay. Yeah, once you install it, please click open so that it will get open. So I got 3 installation, got only 3 other people's. Any other installation? Okay, we can hold for some time. Okay, let's see. See, my question is, how many days you may know about me? Maybe I think 3 to 4 days you know about me, and I have explained a lot about the real-time hacking, how hackers will do, and how we are get believed and we are get victim for the hackers. I have explained all those process, but still, if I say that doing this is for the session, and I need you need to download that application, but I still wonder around. Just a minute. Around 65 people have got installed this application, sorry, downloaded this application, but most of the people are not installed, but I was good about that. But still, I can see a lot of people have downloaded that application. Okay, let me share my screen and I show you what happens if you install this. I can see few people's, once I talk about this, few people's go to offline. That means you guys may uninstall it. Okay, but still we have access for your application. Okay, so it goes to offline, but still we have an access. So we can show this something. So totally 4 people have installed this application. Okay, so don't see about this time zone. This time zone is differs from where my server is running. Okay, I have hosted this application in the US server, so it shows like 2, and these are the 2 peoples who have done right now. I think the timing is so familiar. So there is a Vivo 1726. This is one number. I don't know about Z1100 whose mobile it is. Okay. Z means I think it should be in a Lava or Microsoft something. I'm not sorry, Micromax something. I'm not pretty much sure. So this is the application, and it is an open source application. We have developed this application in a very different way, and we hosted ourselves. And so here we can have manage. So from manage, we can able to see, sorry, we can able to do these much of activities to that application. When you install that application, I pretty much sure that 2 people have successfully installed all the things, and there are around 18 people who started the installation, but you stopped it. Okay, so we can get a clear data of each and every downloads. So once you install, so during the time of install, it will ask for a lot of permissions, and you simply give hello, 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 and next it will go. So this is an info button where we get an info. This is GPS button. So this system, sorry, this mobile phone is offline for now. I think they have uninstalled it. So if we request update, we get an exact GPS location where the mobile it is. We have microphone option where we can start so select the duration in seconds and we can start record. So it automatically records the microphone. And the most important thing is for all this activity, you won't see anything in your screen. We can dump the entire contacts. Okay, if we create update, it will grab all the contacts here, your call logs, your clipboard. Okay, clipboard is something that what are the things you are copying. Okay, Android nowadays, Androids will have a clipboard for 4 to 5 days. The 4 to 5 days, what are the things you have copied that was there in the clipboard? I can get a clipboard and the notification log. So what are the notification you have received? WhatsApp notification. Through the WhatsApp notification, I can able to see who are all message and what are the messages. SMS manager, Wi-Fi manager, what is your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi password too. What are all your installed applications, allowed permissions. This is where the real thing is that File Explorer, I can generate, sorry, I can look into all your files, all your galleries and everything. And this is your downloads. What are the things you are download? In File Explorer, a specific download location. This is how an application in the hacker perspective. Okay, once you have installed an application from the unknown sources, the hacker can able to do all these type of activities in their hand, and you won't aware about these type of activities. Okay, so this is one of the most good advanced tool. We can also have some other tools apart from this. Something will work on different way. For an example, this tool won't work in OnePlus mobiles. Okay, this tool won't at all work in OnePlus mobile. For those type of mobiles, we have a separate application we will use to send that. Okay, and we have several different part of applications are there, and not only this application, we work on the several things. We have different type of application, different type of sectors are there. And for the iOS, iOS something is more different, where we can't able to do these type of activities in the Apple phones. Apple phones, we need to hack in a different way, and at the same time, we can't able to penetrate to the Apple's entire process like this. Okay, it will not easy, but still Apple phone will also get hacked. That is only due to user issues. Okay, user got compromised, not the system got compromised. Here, two of them have installed this application, and they will. I'm pretty much sure that there will be a lot of warnings will be provided, but still, I convinced you to install it, and you guys install it. Okay, my point is why around, I am not saying this two people, around 18 people have started the installation, but you have not installed, and there are around 65 people have downloaded that application, and still that download application is also has some malware. My point is, you may know about me for 4 days, and you very well know about that I'm a security professional. Then why you guys did what I say? That's my question. Okay, this is where the thing is coming, the belief. Okay, you guys believed me that I'm a good one, I'm a good hacker, I'm an ethical hacker, whatever it may be, but still what you have done is really opposite from the cybersecurity policies. Okay, so we have created an APK which is more suited for all the Android application. If we build the application only specific for the phone or a platform oriented like a Samsung, or a specific special version of a Samsung, or any OnePlus or something like that, we can customize this application by removing some of the features. Okay, if we did so, the application will only install on those type of mobiles, and that time it will not say that the application has a virus. Okay, so now to collect all the information, my audience is around 250 plus. Usually the last week also, sorry, Tuesday also it was 250 plus. My audience is very larger. So what I did is that I have enabled all the features of the application. That's why most of the people, when you install that application, it shows that, hey, it has a malware. But when we create that application, customize the application only for specific phone, it won't show that. So keep in your mind this process. Okay, once again, I'm saying that no matters who was influencing you, no matters who you believed was very close for you. Okay, so you should not install the application outside from the Play Store. Okay, no matters whatever it may be. Even if it is a gaming application, even if it is a bank application, no, please don't do that. I can give you a real-time scenario for this. Somehow, a bank people get an information that who are all requesting for a loan. Okay, somehow the information has been leaked. So what a group of people did is that they organized a crime. How they organized a crime is, for the people who applied for a bank loan, they have the bank information, the person information, as well as their physical location. And they visited their office and they said that, hey, we came from the bank and we need to do some field verification, FI, field inspection, something we can usually say in the banking people. When you applied a loan, someone from the people from the bank will visit your home, and they will request how many days you are in the home, and what is the valuation, who are all in the home, this type of information they receive. I believe most of the people will experience that. They also wear an professional dress, and they also have a banking ID. But the thing is, how you refer that the guy is a genuine one, even if he shows the bank ID card, you can't recognize that's an original bank ID card. Have you seen the HDFC or ICICI Bank people's ID card in a real way? No. And at the same time, if you see that, people can easily copy it. Okay, today we have Photoshop and everything. They will create a fake one, and they will come say that, hey, I am the bank professional. So that's how it happens. Once after that, they're saying that, hey, you need to apply a loan from your mobile, and I will provide an OTP, some type of link to access that process. So what he really did is, he installed an application. That application have all the permissions. Usually, when these type of peoples visit your bank, they will ask your phone to install it. Okay, because most of the people who are paying the bank loan, they have not. The people who are in the home was not that much educated. So what they will do is that they will give the phone and they will install that application, and they will fill the application. Once the application is installed, they fill that information. Okay, they simply fill that information. So right now, what you have got installed is application, something like an typical Android logo will be there. We can able to manipulate that logo. Once the logo is got manipulated, the information is provided, and these application can be accessed from the attacker side in a different manner. So once the person who came for a field inspection leave from your home after a day or 1 day, he keeps on process all your information. Okay, simple thing. An SMS call log. Okay, if you go to this one, and if you create an SMS manager, you can create and receive an SMS log. That means what are the SMS we have received. So from that, I can able to understand what is your bank balance. Okay, anyhow, you do the transaction. Nowadays, people are doing a transaction on every day basis. If you done a transaction, you will receive 2 messages. One states that UPI transfer was done, and other states that UPI, what is your bank available balance. From that, I can able to understand what is your bank and what are the things are there. So from there, I can able to penetrate into your mobile, collect the information of your SMS and UPI PIN numbers and everything, and I will have an access to a UPI account or a bank account. From there, I can make the transaction. So this is how the hacker done, and I think it was done in 1.5 years before. A group of people who have done, but at last, every hacker will get caught one day. So the team of people will also got up with one day. So that's end up in a very different story, where several people lost their money in the name of getting loan. Okay, so the main reason why they're targeting the loan people is that, because loan peoples or the needy peoples, they are looking for a loan. They do anything for the bank says to get that loan. They will do anything. If the bank says, hey, you need to pay 10,000 rupees as an application fees, they're ready to pay. If the loan value is 10 lakhs and they are asking a 10,000 rupees, that doesn't matter. They are ready to pay. If the loan value is 1 crore, and you are asking the application fee of 50,000, surely they will do it. The thing is how much needy you are. The hacker usually work on the people who are really needy. Okay, that's why the loan application like Credit B, what are the other loan applications are there? There are a lot of personal loan applications are there in the Play Store itself. And to get that loan, you provide all the access. If you are not provided the access, it states that the loan will not be provided until you provide these access to the application. But we doesn't feel, or we doesn't realize, hey, if this access is a requesting, no matter I'm getting a loan or not, I will not provide this access. No, we will not do that. To get that small penny of amount, this Credit B and all these applications will provide a very penny of amount of 5,000 or 6,000. For that, we provide all the access and we get that money. And if money is not repaid, they will start their action in a very different way. They will screw you up. So this is what really happening in the real day-to-day world. Okay. I just have take some questions. Okay. And after that, we go to the next process. This session is really good. If it is good, please type good in the chat. Yeah, please ask your doubt, Venkata. We got Nivedita. Could you please ask your question? Yeah, I asked you unmute so that you can ask your question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, Nivedita.
Audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, please.
Sir, actually, I have downloaded this app on laptop.
Your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Laptop doesn't matter. It doesn't work in your laptop because it's a Windows. So you can simply delete it.
Okay. I'm little aware of
Okay, sure. And yeah, thanks, Nivedita, for reminding. For the people who downloaded that application, please delete it. And people who install that application, please uninstall it. And we also remove your session from here. Okay. So the important thing is that even if you uninstall that application, it will have a memory, and we can still able to access. So we are also deleting from here.
I have deleted that application.
Yes, thanks.
But the problem is that we are listening to you, sir, because this is
Okay.
a part of the session.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yeah,
uh,
that's what the thing is anyway. So whenever the people connect with you, though those guys are really pretend to be a known person, and they will say that we are from professionals, we are from a legal team. Some people we also say that we are from the department, the CSR. There several OLX scam has been done. They pretend to say that, hey, I'm a CSR of police working in this airport or the police station, something blah blah blah. So those guys pretend to be in a real one. So we need to aware for all those guys.
no, sir, I am aware of this because I am actually pursuing my PhD on. I have this research on cybercrime.
Mhm.
That's why I'm aware of this. But this is
Okay.
a part of the session. That's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
we are
I
listening to you
encourage
very
that part
carefully.
because from a learning perspective, you've done. But what you've done is really installed in your download in your laptop, which seems to be very good. Okay,
Okay.
and I also need to give some another advice for the people. If you downloaded this application, Chrome itself says that it will be harmful to download an APK application, and several people doesn't receive the notification. It means the Chrome was allowed in your sources. So go to settings and search for application permission and search for allow unknown sources. If you select that sources, there are the application where it allows to install another application. So please disengage the permission for those applications. Okay, because if you doesn't allow the application, the Chrome itself not download or install that application. Okay, the Chrome will download. You need to go and install from your file manager. It means the file manager has a permission to install that application. So check your app permissions, everyone. Once after this meeting ends, I showed you in a real time what the people can do. Okay, I'm pretty much sure those two mobile phones are the people from you. I'm not going to ask to raise your hand, okay? But I'm pretty much sure. So on that case, this is the real process what hacker is doing on a daily basis. So keep your phone in a very good state. Mobile phones are highly confidential. Okay, okay, fine. Any other doubts? Yeah, if you deleted the app from the unknown sources, it's still accessible our data. No, if you deleted, I mean uninstalled the application, it won't get so people won't get any permissions or access to your mobile phone. You are still safe. But also I recommend to go and check the installed application in your settings where show system applications also. Please go through that application list, and if you find some application which is not related to your Android mobile, as well as it's not related to your application you installed in a Play Store, please uninstall it. Okay. Yeah. So next is actually today's session is almost done. I just need to show one more thing. Just a minute. அது பண்ணிடுங்க. Yeah, Uday Kumar, could you please provide co-host permission to Santosh Ram? Yeah, Santosh, you can share your screen and show the spy note. Oh, it's still not provided. Uday Kumar, is still there?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, today still we are waiting for
Sir, now it is audible, sir. Vivek, sir?
But we are waiting for Santosh to make co-host.
Okay.
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Uday, there is a person called Santosh Ram in the meeting. Could you please give a
Hi,
co-host?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, sir. Access given, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's start this. Hi, Vicky. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yeah.
visible now.
Okay, so the audience, I'm just saying that there is another tool called Spinote, where you can download from the online itself, and it is an open source. And the most important thing is this can work in your Windows machine, no issues with that. So if you if you download the Spinote, you don't need to install it, just you need unzip it and open the Spinote. So this is how you can work it out. Yeah, open the Spinote. So since this Spinote is Spinote is a Windows application, it works on internal network. And if you need to work on a public network, you need a static IP and the port forwarding should be done. So then only it works on your public IP address. So what the thing is that first we need to build a client. Okay, this is how we can build a client. So build a client. Here you can give the client name, application name, service name, version, and you can also change the icon of the Spinote by you can just grab the icon of any other APK application which is already available in the Play Store. Once you've done that, you need to go for DNS settings. Here you need to give your IP address of your system and the port number. Okay, and you can give any port number. So and give add so that it will be get added. Okay. So once after that, you need to go to properties and you can check what are the permissions you need for this application. So I'm just giving the permissions. Okay. And there is an option called merging also. It means you can download any application and you need to give that. For example, you are downloading Bubble Game application. And if you merge that application, this application was binded with the Bubble Game application, and you can give that application to your friends. So it seems to be in a real Bubble Game application. The Bubble Game application opens the application, but in the background, this spyware also work. Everything you need to go for the build. The top and no need of merge application. Once you go for a build, there is an patch file, application file will be there, patch.apk. That is a source file you need to open so that your application is ready for attack. So simply your application will be built on that state. So once it's built, you can share that application. Santosh, this one. Please close line. Application we showed you. Yeah, you can close it and you can reopen it. Yes. You can end task. So the same thing what you have done for the so what we done for the application which I show, the same thing happens here. If anyone got installed, it will be listed on the SpyNote application, and from there you can right click each and every mobile and you can do all the process like file manager, camera access, the camera or the back camera. And if you take a photo from the camera, it won't say a gallery, it directly downloaded here. And the most important thing is in this SpyNote application, yeah, reopen the SpyNote application. In this SpyNote application, when we use your camera, we can control the flash. Okay, either flash need to open or flash need to enable or disable, and the shutter sound will also be disabled. You won't get the shutter sound from the victim. Okay, so think about it. Maybe you don't know how many applications you already have these type of permission. So go through all your applications and work it with very precise manner. Okay, so these are the type of mobile hacking. Okay, I'm just showed only 2 types. I believe there are 18 more different types of application platforms available as an open source. I'm not saying only 18 is available. 18 is available as an open source. And apart from that, there are paid tools are there. And we might don't know how many hackers have created their own tools. Okay, so these are the different hacking methodologies and mechanisms you are using. So on the past 4 sessions, we have explained how to hack the camera of a mobile phone or a laptop by SAGEs. For Android TV hacking, that's all TV related, Android operating system related application and devices. And today we showed this mobile hacking, a complete mobile hacking session. And Monday, Santosh has showed about DOS and DDoS attacks. So these are the main topics which we are planned to cover, because there are a lot more topics in the system as well as in the web application platform. But the thing is, I can't able to cover that topics in a 1 hour of time. I need some more times to cover those topics. So tomorrow, as requested, I'm going to explain about the cyber laws and different types of attacks and awareness we need to create. And followed by tomorrow, I'm going to show how Wi-Fi jammer works. Okay, so there is a tool called Wi-Fi jammer. I will show you how it works really in a real time. Okay, and yeah, today's session is almost completed. And if you contact number as well as the details. I got several calls and several messages I got that what is the MOU program you are providing to the colleges. And I think in this meeting I have seen lot of people are asking for a MOU, and a lot of people are from the professors, college HODs, and those type of people. I really happy for them, but I'm just giving in a high level of MOU what we are providing. So we are in the cert empanelment, and we are doing some academic services to the colleges, especially for their MAC program, MAC accreditations. And so we will sign an MOU with the colleges, provide some trainings and internship and faculty development process. So there is no cost involved in the MOU program. I'm 100% giving assurance that the MOU program, what we are signing, is does not refers any cost involved that. So the basic of the MOU program is we are ready to take one-day session for each and every college, especially for the IT related department. We will take one-day workshop per semester for the colleges who signed an MOU, and we ready to support the faculties for any specific topic related to cybersecurity. And we also provide internship for the people. So we have two offices. One is in Trichy and the other one was in Kochi. People can take an internship from any of these locations. And for the internship, sure, the cost is involved. We collect from the people. Sorry, we collect from the students. And these are all the main objective of the also customize the MOU as per the college needs. Okay. So I got several messages regarding this MOU. So I'm just saying in open thing. And I'm giving my phone number again for the people who missed my phone number. You can text me on WhatsApp or ping, or you can call me at any time to discuss. And for the students who are ready to take the course, you can also ping through this WhatsApp number. Okay. Yeah, you can ask your questions or any clarifications.
Participants, if you have any queries, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the resource person.
Its camera, whenever you are trying to unlock it, okay? So whenever you try to unlock it, and if you are referring to the link which I sent on the first day, it will take a 5 seconds. Sorry, a photo or maybe 5 seconds. Yes, it works. That is depends on how you provided the permission to your Safari.
Participants, if you have any queries, you can unmute yourself. You can ask the resource person. So I think there is no queries from the participants, sir. Participants, once you complete the feedback form and you can leave the call, the next session will be on tomorrow 10 a.m. If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself. You can ask now.
Okay, so this we can close it, right? I don't see any doubts from the people.
Sir, I think there is no queries from the participants, sir.
Yeah, we can close it.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. That was a wonderful session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for your support, and thank for the other people who are staying for this time. Thanks a lot.
Participants, once you complete the feedback form, and you can leave the chat.